Check this out. This is a flashlight, if you will believe it, man. It's really incredibly small. Now, you have a flashlight here, which is LED lights indicating the actual power and other stuff, and you can actually manipulate the changes too. Two main LED lights, clip, and also they give you a keychain holder, so you can put this on your keychains if you want. That's another option. Magnet, and then of course you type C connection here. All right, to turn on this side light right here, you're gonna use this button. All right, you hold it down 1, 2, 3, and then there you go. Right now I just hit it flashing, but if you click on it, it turns into white, it turns into yellow, and it goes back to red, and then in the mode starts with the flashing and so forth. Now to turn it off, you hit the button down. And the reason that you do this is because you could clip this in front of you or behind you. And actually you can move the clip on the other side too. So you can manipulate the clip in two ways. Now to turn on the main light, and this does get hot because it is a super strong light. I'm not going to point at the camera. So you hold on the button 1, 2, 3, and then it turns on, if you guys can see that. So that's one, and I can feel it hot right now. And of course you click on it again, it goes brighter and super low, and then back, and then low again. But to turn it off, hit the power button, it turns off. So this thing, not only does it have flashlight in the front, LED light in the front, but also in the top too. So this is great too for those that have a vehicle and you want to make sure you keep an extra flashlight for night, because I like this feature. Let me show you what it does. This is the metal. It magnetizes. Now, if you're working on a car and it's facing down, you can hold down this button 1, 2, 3, and it opens up the flashlight for that. I like this feature a lot. Indication green, it tells you the battery's good. It's going to last you for many hours, depending on using both lights or one. This one actually spends more power than the bottom one. All right, so but very simple for your next camping trip, or you're outgoing or carry for emergencies. Hope you guys enjoy the video.